Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In today's session, we are going to discuss about QABA program, like how QABA make you ready to enter in IT world with job market IT skills and confidence. So first of all, we are going to teach you what QABA does, like what are the roles and responsibility of QABA, so that once you get the job, so you need to understand like what business analysts do and what quality assurance member do. So I just give you an overview like what business analysts can do. Business analysts use data to form business insight and recommend changes in businesses and other organizations. Basically, business analysts work to anticipate all the business requirements and to meet the all the things so that business grows. After that, how can we help you to build your QABA career? So we have a lots of experience of doing it. We train non-IT, IT guys. So we are going to build some IT skills in you. If you are from non-IT, how to onboard and grow in IT world. We will teach you where are the jobs, how to apply. All these things we are going to teach you like from the start, like resume building, interview preparation, and sometimes we will do marketing as well of your resume. Also, we are going to teach you learn how to solve problems with the help of live projects. So you will get live projects as well. Project, if like how can we help you to build your QABA career with the help of project? So you will get 3+ live projects during your training program, so you can work over the live project, so you will have a hands-on thing, like you understand what are the needs and demands, how to work over the live things. Once you're in the job, this will help you a lot. After that, how can we help you to build your QABA career? Like we will give you interview preparation as well. We will give you helps you in the resume building. Like we are going to give you the resumes as well. We are going to help you to make your resume for the job. How to find IT jobs. So we have our own portals where you can do these things, where to apply, how to apply all these things. We have various programs, but we have three programs in classrooms and lots of programs you can say in online. So you can check at our website as well for all those things. You just need to click here and then you will get all the information. If you want to enroll in QABAs, our prices are very nominal. The price for QABA is going to be $2150, and the mode is classroom and online. Whatever you want to choose, you just need to call us, and we will share all the information. The duration is going to be about 13 to 14 weeks, 100+ hours, and you will get 3+ live projects as well during this training. After that, we have our own portals, through which portals you can work over the some things, and you can prepare yourself, make you ready for the market. With the help of both the portals, you will have the access for 12 months, so you can use it for these things. Like we have training portal where you can it works as a guide for you, where you can find all the information, all the content of your program, and job placement portals where you can search for jobs and make you ready for the market. Now, how can you connect with us? So for connecting us, you just need to give us a call on 800-543-5571, and we will book your demo. And the batches are start frequently, like we will make your schedule according to your availability, like weekends or weekdays. And for the classroom, we have only Sunday class, and we will discuss more if you want. Yes, so like our you can say training course and costs are very nominal. You can repeat the classes and training if needed. If you have any doubt, you can clear with the instructor, because in the online also you will have the 100% live sessions with the instructor. Why us? So you can say that we have a 8 to 9 years of proven experience working with non-IT and IT candidates and make them ready for the job. We are placing people every week. We are helping them to get placed in different organizations in different country as well. Like some people want remote, some people want part time. So we are going to help you in all the ways. So if you are interested in this program, you want to enroll, just email us at training@infotech-solutions.com, or you can call us on 800-543-5571. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.